All right, so every year CES in Las Vegas gives us a peek into the future, right? But this year, Samsung did something different. They didn't just show us a bunch of new gadgets. It felt more like they invited us to a full-on AI house party. So what exactly happens when your home stops being just a collection of appliances and starts acting like a single intelligent companion? Well, let's get into it.
This quote from the Economic Times just nails it. This is the huge shift we're seeing. It's not about the individual phone or the TV or the fridge anymore. It's about a completely connected ecosystem that's designed to literally live with you. This is Samsung's massive bet on the future, and believe me, it's happening now.
So what's the big idea here? Samsung's whole vision is to take AI from being this flashy, kind of gimmicky feature and turn it into something as essential as the electricity in your walls. I mean, just imagine an intelligent presence that's always there, humming away in the background, figuring out what you need before you do. That's the AI companion they're building.
And look, this isn't just some concept they drew up. Samsung is building this on a massive foundation they already have. We're talking over 430 million users already plugged into their SmartThings platform. That gives them this huge head start. That existing network, that's the secret sauce that could actually make this whole thing work.
Okay, so where does a revolution like this even begin? For Samsung, the first real battlefield is your living room. They're starting with the biggest, most important screen in our homes, and are basically trying to completely change what a TV is and what it can do.
And wow, they really came out swinging with the hardware. The absolute showstopper was this gigantic 130-inch Micro RGB TV. The magic here is something they call the Micro RGB AI Engine Pro. So instead of a backlight, it uses millions of tiny self-lit LEDs. The result, the color and brightness are just absolutely mind-blowing. It's a real statement piece for sure.
But here's the thing. As incredible as that screen is, the hardware isn't the real story. No, the true revolution is the intelligence, the AI that's humming away inside every single one of their new TVs.
This slide really breaks it down perfectly. We're moving from a passive relationship with our TV to an active one. Think about it. Most of our smart TVs are just fancy app launchers, where we do all the work, all the searching. With this Vision AI companion, the TV becomes your assistant. You don't search anymore, you just ask. And it's not just playing movies, it's connecting to your entire home.
So what does that actually look like in real life? Okay, say you're watching a big soccer match. The AI Soccer Mode Pro automatically tweaks the picture and sound to make it feel like you're right there in the stadium. Or maybe you can't stand the announcers. The AI Sound Controller Pro lets you use your voice to literally turn them down and crank up the crowd noise. It's wild. Or you see a character eating something that looks amazing. You just ask, "Hey, what's that recipe?" And boom, the TV sends it straight to your smart fridge. It's all about making your life easier.
And get this, Samsung is actually putting their money where their mouth is. This number, 7, is a huge promise. It stands for 7 years of guaranteed Tizen OS upgrades for their new TVs. Now, if you've ever bought an expensive smart TV and felt like it was totally obsolete just a couple of years later, you know what a game changer this is. It's a real commitment to making your investment last.
All right, so from the living room, this AI ripple flows right into the heart of the home, the kitchen. And this is where that whole companion idea gets super personal, weaving itself right into your daily routine. Now, the centerpiece of their smart kitchen is the Family Hub refrigerator, and the headline news here is a massive partnership with Google. For the very first time ever, Google's incredibly powerful Gemini AI is being put directly into a home appliance. And let me tell you, it completely changes what a fridge is capable of. This chart shows you just how big of a leap this is. Samsung's old AI was pretty smart. It could recognize maybe 37 different types of fresh food. But with the power of Gemini, the system is exponentially smarter. It can recognize tons of processed foods without you having to do anything. And it can even identify stuff you've put in your own Tupperware. The fridge just knows what's inside. So the whole process becomes ridiculously simple. You just put your groceries away and that's it. The AI sees everything you've got. The big screen on the fridge suggests recipes you can make, and it keeps track of your inventory.
It even sends you a little weekly report called Food Note that breaks down your consumption habits. Your fridge is no longer just a cold box. It's basically your automated meal planner.
In this AI ripple, it doesn't stop in the kitchen. It just keeps spreading throughout the rest of the house, powering Samsung's really ambitious vision for what they call a zero-chore home. The goal here is pretty simple. Use all this intelligence to take care of our most annoying household tasks. So let's imagine a really common, everyday problem. You're in a rush, you knock something over, and now you've got a sticky juice spill on the kitchen floor. It's annoying, right? We've all been there.
Well, here's the AI solution. The new Bespoke AI JetBot Steam Ultra, which has a powerful Qualcomm processor inside, uses deep learning to actually see the liquid spill on the floor. It then goes over and intelligently steam cleans just that spot. And, as a cool bonus, its advanced cameras mean it can also double as a little mobile home monitor, so you can check in on your pets while you're out.
And this same kind of intelligence is woven into pretty much every corner of the home. You've got the Bespoke AI laundry combo can detect fabric types to get the wash cycle just right. The AI airdresser steams the wrinkles out of your clothes automatically. There's even an AI wine cellar that recognizes your wine labels and suggests food pairings. See? It's not just a collection of smart gadgets, it's a real ecosystem, all working together.
So we've seen how this AI is spreading through the home, but what does it all really mean? Is this the helpful automated future we've all been promised? Or is it maybe a step too far?
Well, it helps to look at what else is happening in the market. Samsung isn't the only one in this race. Their biggest rival, LG, is chasing a very similar goal, but with a totally different philosophy. Samsung is leaning on Google's huge AI models and their own massive user base. LG, on the other hand, is focusing on building its own in-house conversational AI. It's two very different paths to the same smart home future. And this quote from the Tech Buzz just hits the nail on the head. The technology is undeniably impressive. We know it works, but the real question is no longer can it work, but do we actually want it to? Are we really ready for our homes to know this much detail about our lives?
Which brings us right to our final thought. Samsung is making a huge bet that a truly connected, AI-powered home is going to feel so useful that it becomes something we can't live without. But as our homes become these proactive companions, that line between being helpful and being intrusive gets a little blurry. So the question we're all left with is this: when your home knows you this well, where do you draw the line?